get outside, ask the question, and doing the thing. Those are the three things that we're going to talk about in today's video. We're going to be going over some of my favorite images. You might have seen them in previous videos, but I want to give a little bit more backstory and share some moments of my thoughts and how I captured these images. But before we start, I want to say welcome back. And if you're new here, my name is Michael Evans. I'm a photographer in the Cincinnati, Ohio area. And today we're going to be talking about those three things, which is getting outside, asking the question, and doing the thing. Today, I want to try something a little bit different. I want to try to do this video in one take. I have my notes here on my phone, and I want to just talk like we're having an actual conversation. Sure, there may be some hiccups here and there, but I want to have this conversation in real time and real thought of what's happening with how I'm processing everything in my mind, and we can go through these images and give you that story right now. So here we go. The first image that I want to share with you is this image of the two guys walking in front of Cincinnati Stadium, the Cincinnati Red Stadium. I would not have been able to get this image if I didn't get outside. That's that first key. You need to get the reps in and get the steps in to get out there and be able to have these moments happen in front of you. I would not have been able to get this shot if I didn't get out there and do that. So no matter what you're doing, no matter what kind of photography you're doing, you need to get your reps in, grab your camera, and get out there and do the work. So that is the first one. This is just one of my favorite images, and I really love how this came out and everything, and I've explained that a little bit more in another video, but it just happened in front of me, and I happened to have my camera, and I was able to take that photo. So the second image that we're going to talk about, which is asking the question, is this girl on a bench. Now, this was a sunny day in Florida, and I just happened to be walking around in Tampa. I did make a video about this. I will link that below, but I was just walking around. I had my camera with me, and I just happened to come across this scene where I saw this lady smoking a cigarette, and I just asked her if she would let me take a photo of her and that I was a street photographer, and she didn't question that at all. She just said sure, which was fantastic. I really love how this image came out, and it wouldn't have happened if I didn't open my mouth and say, can I take a photo of you? I could have easily just walked by and let that moment pass, but in my mind I was thinking, let me see if she would be okay if I can take this photo. And I asked her if she would want to see it later on, but she said no, and that's fine. But it wouldn't have happened if I didn't ask that question, if I could get that photo of that person. So that is asking the question. I just love how the lighting and everything in this image is. I'm looking at it here, and just having her sit there in this light with a cigarette in her hand and she's reading on her phone. I just think that it came out amazing. So make sure you get out there, get outside, and ask the question. If you are taking photos of people and you see something that you just want to capture, ask the question. Now, the last part of this is doing the thing. So during the winter, there was one of the largest snowstorms in my area in America, and I think we got 12 inches of snow that day, and like within 24 hours inside downtown. So that has been I think it was like a decade record or something like that, and it was just a ton of snow in the city. And if I didn't, get outside, even though it was freezing and there was so much snow and all of that, I would not have got this image. And this image is of Allison, my wife, standing in front of a bridge while we were on another bridge. And this image just came out really amazing. I love how you can see her smile through the face covering that she has over her mouth, and how that just looks, and it just is an amazing image to me. Everything really aligned in how that happened, because if we wouldn't have got outside and we wouldn't have done the thing of being in the cold, with a full snow kit on and snow boots and snow pants and all of that, we wouldn't have got this image. And it's just an amazing image to me, and I really love how this looks. I love the detail that the Q3 43 captured, and all of that. And it just is something that I'm very proud of, and it's something that, you know, I have as my screensaver on my phone right now. So yeah, just saying that to say, you know, you need to do these things, especially if you want to get better in your photography. These things will definitely help you. These 3 things will definitely help you become a better photographer. So also, I want to go over a couple of things of my camera. I've had it for about 6 months now, something like that. I think I got it in October. So that's about 6 months right now. And how I'm using it and how everything is kind of going on with this, and my thoughts on it. And for the first thing I want to say is I really love this camera. It's fantastic. I don't have any issues with it at all, and I love how the images come out and all of that, and it's just a joy to use. But like I was saying in the beginning, you know, I'm saying these 3 things matter because I feel that they matter for me, and I hope that it's something that can benefit you in your journey in photography. But the things that I've kind of been using with this camera is the Polar Pro thumb grip. I really like this thumb grip. It's my favorite one. It has that locking pin that I spoke about in a previous video, so the thumb grip does not pull out, and it just feels great on the camera. These are the only accessories that I have for this camera. So this is the thumb grip and the square hood lens hood. I'm also using a UV filter from Earth on this camera. Sometimes I feel like I have a little FOMO with the Short Stash Polar Pro mist and polarizer filter, and that I'm missing out a little bit because I don't have that lens and I see so many people with it. I don't know if it really matters or if it's something that I'm gonna like move to, but it is something that I kind of think about when I see other people using it, because I have used it before and it does help your images, give you that bloom and stuff like that, but do I really need it? I'm not sure. So that's basically all I really wanted to talk about in this video today. It's a little short video, but those 3 things is something that I keep telling myself and making myself get out to go get some photos and just get those steps in and those reps in. And I hope that this will help you be able to do that as well. So it looks like I did make it through this entire video without any cuts or anything like that. And round of applause for that, tap myself on the back. I don't know if I would be able to do that, but I just want to say, if you like this video or you like these images, please leave a comment. Let me know what I can do better, what I can tell you or talk to you about in a constructive way, hopefully. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe. It helps a ton. It definitely helps a small creator like myself be seen by more people. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Before I say see ya and I turn this off, I am going on a trip soon, and I'm so excited to make some content around that and show you what that looks like. So that'll be happening in very shortly, and I'll be sharing some images on my Instagram. If you do follow me over there, you'll be able to keep up with some of the stuff that I do in real time. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.